Good morning, students. Today, let us see some more problems of trigonometry. Topic is complementary angles for trigonometric ratios. Few problems are written here. Before that, let us recall the complementary angles for T ratios. Already I told you earlier in the previous class, sine and cos both are complementary to each other. So that means sine becomes cos and cos becomes sine theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, right? Sin and cos are complementary to each other. Similarly, tan and cot. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Secant and cosecant. Secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant theta, right? So these are the complementary angles for T ratios. Now I am going to use these concepts to do these problems. Let us see the first one solution. First solution. What is given here? 2 of tan 35 degrees by cot 55 degrees whole square plus cot 55 upon tan 35 whole square minus 3 into secant 40 upon cosec 50. Okay? Now observe 35 and 55 together makes 90. That means they are complementary. 55, 35. 40, 50. Just observe. Okay? Now, 2 into tan. This 35 can I write 90 minus 55? Depends on this. 35 can be written as 90 minus 55. This you don't change as it is right now. Any one we can change. Okay? Either tan 35 or cot 55. Any one of these two ratios must be changed. So tan 35 is written as tan 90 minus 55. Right? Similarly, this cot, how do we write this 55? 90 minus 35. Can I write 90 minus 35? Depends on down one. Tan 35 same, no change. Okay? Whole square minus 3 into sec 40 can be written as 90 minus 50 because down one 51 is there, 50 is there in the denominator. So cosec 50 as it is. So I changed only numerators, observe it. Or you can change only denominators, your wish. Okay? Anyway, you can get the answer. Now you just, it looks like tan 90 minus theta. Observe here. Tan 90 minus theta, can I write cot theta? Tan becomes cot. Cot. Theta means in the place of theta we have 55 by cot 55 whole square plus cot 90 minus theta becomes tan theta, right? Tan and cot are complementary to each other. So cot 90 minus 35 can be tan 35 by tan 35 whole square minus 3 into sec 90 minus 50. It looks like secant 90 minus theta. You see here, secant and cosecant are complementary to each other. So sec 90 minus 50 can I write cosec 50 by cosec 50. Okay? Now you see These two gets cancelled. So what did I use here? Formulas. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is taken as cot theta. Under since steps you must make cot 90 minus theta is written as tan theta, and secant 90 minus theta is written as cosec theta. Under since steps you should make that here. Okay. Now what is remaining? 2 of 1 square plus here 1 is remaining 3 into 1. So 2 plus 1 minus 3. 3 minus 3. What is the answer? 0. Therefore 2 into tan 35 by cot 55 whole square plus cot 55 by tan 35 whole square minus 3 into sec 40 by cosec 50 equal to answer is 0. Right? So this is the solution of first problem. Understood everybody? So by using complementary angles for T ratios we can do. Let us see the second problem. Okay? Second question. See the second question. Secant 26 into sin 64 degrees compulsory plus cosec 33 by sec 57. Observe these 26 and 64 together 90. 33 and 57 also 90. So they are complementary. So I change one of the angles. Secant this 26 can be written as 90 minus 64. Can I write? 26 is written as 90 minus 64. But sin 64 as it is, don't change. Or if you want, you can change this. Cosec, I will write this as 90 minus what do you have in the denominator? 57 upon sec 57. Okay. Now remember, secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta will be cosec theta into sin 64. In the place of theta we have 64, right? Sec 90 minus theta. Secant becomes cosecant, right? Plus cosecant becomes secant. Very good. By so here what did I use? Secant 90 minus theta is cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Both are complementary to each other. Now first fundamentals I told you, cosecant and sin are reciprocal to each other, so it becomes 1 plus these two gets cancelled 1. Since sin theta into cosec theta, wherever you get it makes 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, secant 26 into sin 64 plus, therefore step is very important, secant 57 equal to answer is 2. Got it? Easy enough? So third one let us. Okay, third one. Same model. See. Same model problem. Third one. 5 sin 66 by cos 24 minus 2 cot 85 by tan 5 Now observe 66 and 24 complementary, 85 and 5 90 together. So sin this 66 can I write 90 minus 24, right? Because in the denominator we have 24 upon cos 24 as it is minus 2 cot 85 can I write 90 minus 5, right? By tan 5. Okay, 60 is written as 90 minus 24, 85 is written as 90 minus 5. Now observe sin 90 minus theta. Can I write cos theta? As I told you earlier, sin and cos are reciprocal complementary to each other. Cot 90 minus theta becomes tan theta. Tan and cot are complementary to each other. So what did I use here? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Since steps, under since steps it should be made. These two gets cancelled. 5 minus 2, value 3. Therefore 5 sin 66 upon cos 24 minus 2 cot 85 upon tan 5 is equal to 3. That is the answer for third problem. Look at fourth question. Fourth question is fourth question, 3 sin 72, same order, upon cos 80 minus secant 32 upon cosec 58. Observe 3, 72 and 18 complementary again. Can I write 90 minus 18? 72 can be written as 90 minus 18 by cos 18 as it is no change. 32 how can we write? 90 minus 58. It depends on the denominator. Cosec 58. Okay? 32 can be written as 90 minus 58. Now it looks like sin 90 minus theta. I told you cos theta upon cos 80 minus secant 90 minus theta cosec theta upon cosec 58. So since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, right? These two gets cancelled. What is remaining? 3 minus 1, that is 2. Therefore 3 sin 72 upon cos 80 minus secant 32 upon cosec 58 equal to 2. That is the end of the problem, right? So we have discussed the problems depending on complementary angles. Sin and cos are complementary to each other. Tan and cot complementary to each other. Secant and cosecant are complementary to each other. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.